Hello guys, hello my diecast friends, it's Victor and it's Will's Hot Channel. Today we have got a mail package, mystery box from Mr. David from the worst YouTube channel ever. The links to his channel, to my diecast friend David, will be in the description to this video. I didn't know what's inside of this mystery box, what David put inside for me. This is a gift that he sent for me. I'm very excited. David, thank you very much for this package, for this mail box, for these diecast cars which you include inside. I'm very interested. What will be inside? So let's begin unboxing of this beautiful item, and let's look inside. And I must to say, guys, if you still don't subscribe to the worst YouTube channel ever, link will be in the description. Please subscribe to the David channel. He has a wonderful diecast reviews. I very love to watch his lumpy, his very warm, very exciting video about diecast cars. Uh, I think he making reviews in a very warm style, in a very interesting style, and he have many cars in his collection, and he always show us wonderful reviews on his channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the worst YouTube channel ever. David, thank you again for this wonderful package. I will start to unbox it right now. Oh. Almost open it. Whoa. I'm really very much excited what will be in this box. So David, thank you very much again for your time, for your cooperation, for your emails, for watching my videos on my channel also, for making such beautiful reviews on your channel. Oh, we got mail from the David, and it will be very interesting what did he write to us, to me. That's the date when he sent this postal. Victor, greetings, my friend. I hope you enjoy the cars, these cars, and they fit in your collection. Oh, Ferrari! Ferrari getting harder to find, so I wanted to get this for you while I can. Oh, thank you very much. I'm thinking there must be Ferraris inside, and I must to say you all, I never have any Ferrari in my collection because I'm started to collect diecast cars when Hot Wheels lost their license for the Ferrari. And in my area, we doesn't have a vintage car for Hot Wheels. Old cars from 2000, from 19 from 2000 till 2010. We didn't have these cars in our cities and in our shops. We can't find them. So you're sending to me Ferrari, and I am very excited because this will be my first Ferrari for my collection from Hot Wheels. It really will be huge a huge diamond in my collection because I very love to collect Ferraris. I very love Ferraris. One of my first cars from my childhood was a Ferrari Testarossa. We buy it with my mother in the Germany. I love seeing what is available in Belarus. Okay, David, I should make more diecast hunting videos for you. And I will make more diecast hunting videos later just for you. Keep making videos. Oh, of course, I will keep you while I can. Thank you very much for this package, your friend David Jones. David, I really very excited by this letter. I'm very excited that you're sending to me this wonderful package. Let's start. Oh, it will be amazing. Some packages, some more packages. Oh, United States flag. So nice. I'm very glad to have this in my collection. I'm really find the place. I really try to find a place for it. Ah, thank you very much for a flag. It's a nice item. Don't worry about this package, a little package damages, but it's fine. It's just fine. I need to find a really good place for it, and I will try to do this now. I have a shelf, a big shelf in my collection for the cars from the USA, and I will try to place this flag where it should be, and I think it should be here. Oh, I'm sorry. I think it should be really here. So David, thank you for United States flag. I'm very excited. It should be here. Ah, nice. So, what will be inside of this box? The next car. Whoa! Oh, don't afraid about box damage, some box damages during the transfer. It's okay. It's just okay. It's fine. It's not a problem. What is this? This is a Ferrari. Oh, the price for it. Oh, it's expensive for the United States. It's not a cheap price at all, because almost all Hot Wheels, as I know, cost about 99 cents. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, that's Amazon old. That's the name for the Ferrari. Ferrari 250. I think this car price more than this price in the bottom of this box. I think it's price much more. That's the back side of this package. And I must to say it's my first ever Hot Wheels car from the 19th. I didn't have vintage Hot Wheels cars, that I said before you, that we don't have vintage car sellers in our era. Oh, Ferrari 250. It's a very wonderful custom. Thank you, David, so much. It's a roadster. Made in China. Now Hot Wheels made in Malaysia and in Thailand. Oh, I'm very excited of this car. So much details. Thank you so much. The next car, I said you before that I didn't know what will be in this package at all. The next car will be wow, another Ferrari in yellow color. And this looks just amazing, David. Ferrari 365 GTB4. Also from the old Hot Wheels collection. A collector number from year 2000, I think. 236. Wow. David, thank you so much. A wonderful color and a wonderful Ferrari. A second Ferrari I add to my collection. Oh, I'm very excited. And the next car will be, you can see the red one. Oh, it's old. 1996 first editions. Cabrio. It's a 40 maybe, or a 50. I didn't show Premier Collection model. Metal Hot Wheels. I very like these vintage packages. David, thank you so much. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. It's like diamonds to my collection. It's like very rarely. It's like diamonds. because we don't have ability to have such cars in our shops. So only one way to get these cars, I need to buy it in eBay, then I need to send it to the warehouse, then warehouse send it to the Russian Federation, and from the Russia they send it to my country. It's expensive. Oh, that Ferrari is amazing. I'm very glad to have red Ferrari in collection. Sword Ferrari. Very nice. I'm so stupid because I didn't know what is this model. Yeah, F50, as I said before. Yeah, it's F50. Very wonderful. Oh, so detailed. Really, David, your package is amazing. It's like a treasure hunt package for me. Because I never have any Ferraris in my collection from the Hot Wheels or Matchbox. And this is very exciting. Another car will be this wonderful black. Oh, I think we should unbox this beauty. And this is nice. It's really nice. I'm trying to open it. Wow. The black Ferrari. Oh, it's very detailed. Just look on these headlamps. On the Ferrari logos. I feel myself like I'm now in some wonderful dream where I open mystery box and where I get some presents that I never think I will have in my life. That's what I feel right now. David, thank you for these feelings. This is black Ferrari. I didn't know a model from this. Let's look. Oh, it's from Malaysia. 599 GTB. Very nice Ferrari. Black one. Very good detailed Ferrari. It will be the fourth Ferrari in my collection. And oh, oh. What do we have more? I think it's another F50 maybe. Let's look. Yeah, it's another F50 from 1996. And it's so wonderful. So wonderful in red color. I think these cars will be in my collection boxed. And this maybe we'll use in racing for my TikTok channel, from my YouTube channels. So let's unbox this red beautiful beauty. Oh, so exciting red color. So deep red. That's so wonderful, guys. I didn't even have words because I'm like in a very beautiful dream right now. Very interesting. Look on the engine. Oh, so wonderful. David, again, thank you so much. I think they are some kind of different, maybe Ferraris. Maybe they are not the same even. But look like the same. Okay, this will stay in packages for my collection. And the another car. Skyline GGR 30. I think we will. It's from Japan. History is free. Very nice premium Hot Wheels. Rail Riders. Thank you so much, David. It's so excited to have this. It's which car they have in this collection. I think we will make separate review for this car, and I think we should unbox this car for review, for separate review on our channel. What do you think, guys? What do you think, David? Should I make a review for it? because I think this car deserve additional review, full review. This car have a rubber wheels on it, and it's a premium Nissan Skyline RS, real riders, one from 5 in Japan histories. Oh, that's really a treasure. Let's take from the box last car. This is last car, yeah. And this will be... Oh, I'm sorry for my emotions. Because I'm very excited to see this red interior. Let's unbox it. Oh, David, thank you so much again. I'm very excited to have wonderful Ferraris in my collection now. Thank you so much for sending them for me, for finding them for me. I'm really so excited. Oh, this looks just so wonderful. Oh, it's have a suspension. Yeah, it look like it have a suspension. No, it doesn't have a suspension, but a little one suspension maybe. Hey guys, maybe you know which Hot Wheels have a suspension, in which year they end to add suspension to their cars, or they didn't did the suspension in their cars, because I'm trying to find some matchboxes with suspension. So this is a gray Ferrari, and it will be very wonderful for racing. It's also F50. It's from Matchbox. So Matchbox also making a Ferraris. Oh, I'm very excited. 1995. Wow. Just wow. David, I'm very excited about all of this. This is very wonderful. This is Hot Wheels, and this is Matchbox. We should make maybe a review for each car separately. Oh, that's the end for our today unboxing of the wonderful package from the David. I'm so appreciate you for this package. I'm very excited, and as I said before, I feel myself still situated in some kind of night dream. You know this feeling, and this dream is good. I don't want to wake up. Don't forget to subscribe to David's fourth YouTube channel ever, guys. He have wonderful reviews. It's a wonderful man. It's a wonderful diecast friend. Oh, I'm very excited. Just look on this. Just look on this. I have 6 Ferraris now and this wonderful Japanese Nissan Skyline in my collection. Thank you so much, David. It was a unboxing for the Ferraris from David. From the Nissan Skyline, it was a mystery box from the Mr. David Jones from the worst YouTube channel ever. Bye bye, guys. I hope you enjoy this content.